Hi everyone. Quick lang. Dito kami ngayon sa Shinjuku Station. Expressway bus terminal, 4th floor. So, dito kami nagko-cool down ngayon after ng napakasarap na.
Oh, kabad trip. Hindi nalilinig. Wala lang wala. Sorry. Ano yun?
Ayun. Kukwenta yung tao.
Bawi
Anyway,
na kami ko eh.
ikaw na kayo kwento.
Electric fan. Kasi napakainit mo.
Oo, ang ingat talaga guys. Kanina, paglabas namin after dun sa Rokasen Annex, makulimlim na eh. Tapos nung hinahanap na namin yung itong bus station, ay sobrang uminit talaga, as in ang init. Like you'll see people passing by galing sa CR bago hilamos. So last time that we were here, last year, April, we missed our tour kasi nahirapan kami hanapin yung meeting point. So what happened is, yun, iwan, and then lesson learned. That's what we're doing right now. Pinuntahan muna namin tong bus station kasi tomorrow we'll be going to Harry Potter nga ba yun? Harry Potter, yung studio. And we booked round trip bus. So, may oras lang yon, may designated seats. So, para hindi namin ma-miss, pinuntahan na namin. Thankfully, medyo familiar na kami kasi may landmark na kami nahahanapin. But if in case that pupunta kayo dito, this is just across Lumin or Lumine 2, dun sa may Shinjuku Flags, Six Flags. Yun lang siya, yung mismo Shinjuku Station, 4th floor. Madali naman siyang hanapin, basta may mga landmark lang kayo. Ayun lang. I think worth mentioning lang, August is summer season here in Japan. So, wear light clothes, pack light as much as you can. Kasi marami naman kayo mga bibilhin dito ng damit. And bring yung mga wipes, tissue, ganyan. Mga usual kasi talaga mapagpapawisan kayo. If you're more comfortable using a towel para makakapaghilamos kayo, makakapag-freshen up kasi maayos naman yung mga CR dito. Usually, most of the public CRs ay okay naman. So, just prepare yourself pag summer talaga. Para sa Pilipinas, syempre sanay naman tayo. Dito talaga parang, alam mo, lapit ko lang. Kasi nga siguro sementado yung mga daan. So talagang, I don't know if you're familiar with the term hunab. Yung singaw ng lupa. Ang init talaga. May konting hangin. Last night, it was even kumukulog, kumikidlat eh. Kagabi. But today, it's very sunny. Very humid. Pulas na po tayo. So, hydrate yourself. Meron kaming tumbler. A very reliable tumbler. So, nakarating na rin po siya. Meron ng pagkakain naman kayo. Usually, may free naman na service water. So, you could just refill na lang. Kasi medyo mahal din yung bottled water, mineral water dito. So, pang donkey nyo na rin. Yun lang.
Ang trip mo dyan.
I-stock ako ng mga nag-work sa akin na binili ko last time. So, this is cleansing oil, wipes. This is for Carl, medicine purpose. And ito curler. Yan, mahilig kasi ako sa mga lip balms. to, once you buy this, always make sure that you buy the remover para hindi makuskusok mo. I think this works for me as well. Ito, okay na okay siya. Parang feeling ko nag-grow yung bottom lashes ko. Kasi yung upper naman, okay naman siya. I haven't experienced any extension and it works. It's the first time I will try this. Sunscreen and eye cream. Okay.
75 and 50.
Okay.
Sorry. And take this one.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you. So, nag-purchase din ako ng acne cream and Chloe perfume. Kasi sobrang mura dito, guys. Again, if you're looking for perfume, dito kayo pumunta sa Aids Info. That's the damage. Thank you. Make sure to always bring your passport so you can take advantage ng tax-free. Guys, there's a little bit of discrepancy. Hindi pala na-include ni ate yung perfume. So, we decided na ulitin na lang siya. Kawawa naman siya pag siya nagbayad nito.
Sir, I return you.
Okay. So, i-return na lang. Like, from the top na lang, no? Yeah. Same items pa rin. Real total now from 9,500 plus. It's really 24,878. Same item.